Today we are going to show you with the help of basic organic shape what I made already in part 1 video. By using that basic shape, today we are going to make a horse model. Today I made part by part and then I have to merge on next video. So thank you very much. Today I am going to create a horse model from our organic basic shape. Yeah, this is the horse, and we have to think about all my parts anatomy wise. This is my body part. Yeah, I am making my body first. Yeah, this is my body part. I divided all the parts anatomy wise. I divide. Yeah, this is my front leg. This is my rear leg. This is my neck and head. So today we make every parts one after one by one. I make the parts. So take a plane and take the snap onto my plane just for reference purpose. Yeah, now my horse is here. Now it is 1:1. I have to see the horse width and height ratio. I just open my horse and go to my horse. Yeah, this is horse. See the width and height, and I put it onto my X and Y, and now it is perfect. Means ratio wise width and height is perfect. So it is not distorted right now. Now I start to make my horse. Yeah. So I just save my file. Then I just make my body, rotate, and then go to side view and adjust according to my body, according to image. Yeah. And now press 3. It is smooth right now, and I adjust all the vertex. For body, yeah, I turn on X-ray mode to see the X-ray view. Yeah, I need some division. One is for shoulder, chest part. One is for my rib cage. I adjust all the lines according to my image. Kindly subscribe my channel and click on the bell button to get all the regular video. Yeah. Now there is some problem. I have to make it perfect. Yeah, I have to modify my vertex to make my shape as per my image. So now from top view the thing is like this. So I have to make the things top view how it is. Yeah, right. Now I made the body and I made a shader Yeah. Shader, Pong shader, to see is there any bumpiness or anything, means. Yeah, this is my leg. Now I am going to make my leg. Again another uh, basic shape I take here and go to perspective and make it here. It is my front leg, so I just adjust my width and height and go to again side, and I just adjust all my vertex according to my anatomy. Yeah, this is very important to make your front leg from top, from scapula, not from the lower part of the body. You have to make your model according to your anatomy. Yeah, this where the joint are there, you have to make the division like this. Yeah, and then adjust. This is one part. There is two type of division, intersection. One is for joint and one is for making your shape perfect. So all the lines are, now I make multicut just for to joint purpose. Yeah, this is, there is all the joint are there. One joint, yeah, this is my knee area. Knee area, right? This is my ankle area, yeah, and this is my lower area, the leg. Yeah, I adjust the thing. Now for making the shape perfect, I have to make go and make some other lines to make the things perfect. So again multicut and take some lines, and also for restriction purpose I have to make some lines two sides of the joint, this side and that side. I need a joint, these lines for restriction, means then skeleton can understand, joint can understand, I have to rotate only this much of area, model can understand. It means I restrict my rotational area, yeah, according to my rig. So I just adjust all the stuff. This line is for shape purpose. I make this line for my thigh shape. So you can easily understand that by manipulating my vertex, I can make the front part. Yeah, you can see the front part. Yeah, from perspective mode. Then from front, I have to modify the thing. Front, it's look like this. Yeah, it is from inner side. Yeah, this is also from inner side. The leg is like this. Yeah, this. And the lower part is rotating somehow y. Yeah. rotating this side. So leg is like this, from front and side and top. You have to consider. Then you just go to take the cedar, tongue, to see the thing is like this. Now the hand is like this, leg is like this. Now you go to one mode, means not smooth mode, and then adjust your all the vertex according to your unsmooth mode. Yeah, now it is not smooth. So you can find all the wrong things in unsmooth mode. Yeah. So you must go from smooth and unsmooth both. If you see the leg, knee area not for horse, it is not like this. Knee area is like this. There is a restriction and it is like this, knee area. So I make it much more detailed. One after one, yeah. From low poly, I make it kindly subscribe my channel and click on the bell button to get all the regular video. You can learn lots from here. Detail. As per requirement, I add my lines, add my edges. After then, I will show you the neck, the rear leg, the neck and the head part. So this is my edge. Yeah, I add some edges. I just duplicate the front leg and go to rear leg, make it rear leg. I just select, this is my front leg and this is my rear leg. I just select and copy it, duplicate it and place it on the rear leg. And after then I delete all the restriction. I don't need so much of lines, so much of edges. I make it simple, as like the first initial one. I only need the lines on bones. So I adjust that area. Here is my bones. I adjust like this and delete all the unnecessary lines first. Now I make the things. I adjust my back leg as per my back image. I adjust in unsmooth mode. Now I make the things like back leg. Very easy, very simple. I make it like back. Unsmooth and then again. Now you can see this is my leg. I adjust from front and back. I do the things like So my front and back leg is almost over. Right now I need the neck and head. So again I select another new, select the thing. It's very easy. After doing one or two, you can do it very easily. So it is a good process to make your model by making all the division and then merge it according to anatomy. It's then the anatomy also maintain the lines. And now go to my top view. Now I'm going to my head. Duplicate. Thank you very much for being with me.